Welcome to Decoding Autism Now, your trusted source for science-backed insights into autism. I'm Dr. Elise Martin. Welcome to the first episode in the series that is based on the book Unlocking the Rhythm of Digestion in Autism by Quay Stoner. We're starting with a surprising and novel idea, that stomach acid could be a missing link in autism. It's not just about digesting food, it's about chemical rhythms and how they impact everything from hormones to brain function. Think of the digestive system as a symphony. Every player, enzymes, hormones, neurotransmitters, must enter at just the right time. Stomach acid is the conductor of a chemical rhythm. When the signal is strong and timely, the entire sequence unfolds properly. But when that acid signal is weak or mistimed, digestion stalls, and the consequences ripple far beyond the gut. This isn't just about indigestion, it's about how rhythm, pH, and hormone timing may shape neurological health, especially in autism. Stomach acid is often misunderstood. We hear about too much acid and reach for antacids or proton pump inhibitors. But many children, especially those with autism, may not have enough stomach acid or have it flow properly into the small intestine. Not having enough stomach acid around a pH of 2.0 prevents pepsin, a critical enzyme, from activating. The result? Proteins like gluten from wheat and casein from dairy are only partially digested. These two proteins have a unique proline double helix bond that can only be broken by the enzyme pepsin. Or, as John Pangborn stated in a presentation, when these two proteins are unbroken, their proline bond can twist and turn like a corkscrew inside the intestinal walls. These fragments then become opioid-like peptides, gliadorphins from gluten, casomorphins from casein. They can cross into the brain, disrupting mood, focus, and behavior. This biochemical confusion mimics some of the very symptoms we see in autism. Stomach acid isn't just about breaking down food, it sets off a chain reaction. When strong acid leaves the stomach and enters the small intestine, it triggers the hormone secretin. Think of secretin as a domino. It's a crucial signal that requires a specific pH, 4.2 or lower, to be released. This single hormone sets off a cascade of events. It signals the pancreas to release bicarbonate, which neutralizes the acid and protects the gut. It tells the liver to produce bile, which is essential for digesting fats, and it slows down the stomach, coordinating the entire digestive process. But if stomach acid is too weak, the signal for secretin is lost. This whole chain reaction fails. Enzymes stay dormant, and key nutrients, like the precursors for serotonin and dopamine, remain trapped in undigested food. That's how a small issue with pH can have a huge impact on brain function, emotional regulation, and digestion. Let's talk about another player, the pyloric sphincter, the valve that controls food leaving your stomach. This valve relies on a hormone called motilin to help it create powerful contractions known as the migrating motor complex, or MMC. Think of the MMC as your gut's self-cleaning cycle, a rhythmic wave that sweeps undigested food and bacteria out of the small intestine. The key to this cycle is time and a healthy ebb and flow of acid. Motilin is typically released in cycles between meals. But if stomach acid is sparse or erratic, the motilin signal can be disrupted. As Quay Stoner notes in the book, this rhythmic flow of acid may be key to triggering motilin, a process that is still being researched and may even be linked to our circadian rhythms. Let's map the cycle. Low acid, poor protein breakdown, opioid peptides, CD26 blockage, hormone suppression, more acid suppression. It's a biochemical trap, and the longer it goes unrecognized, the more symptoms accumulate, from sleep issues to behavioral challenges. But here's the hopeful part. When we restore this rhythm, we often see the first domino fall forward, in the right direction. Here are 8 practical ways to begin restoring digestive rhythm. Number 1. Use probiotics such as Saccharomyces boulardii to help heal the gut and ward off the bad bacteria. Number 2. Supplement with betaine HCl. With meals to raise acidity, use under professional guidance. Number 3. Digestive bitters to stimulate acid naturally. Number 4. Pepsin and DPP4 enzymes to support protein breakdown. Number 5. Gluten and casein-free diets to reduce peptide load. Number 6. Functional lab tests. Organic acid test, urine testing for undigested peptides and stool analysis. Number 7. Meal timing. Spacing meals 3-4 hours apart to help with motilin pulses. Number 8. Vagal tone exercises, such as humming or cold exposure to stimulate gut-brain communication. Always consult a qualified practitioner familiar with autism when considering these steps. We just reviewed a novel idea about how low stomach acid could be a significant factor in autism. For deeper dive into this topic and other novel ideas on autism, you can find the book Unlocking the Rhythm of Digestion in Autism on Amazon. In the next episode from the book, we will talk about improving the hormonal symphony of digestion. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with others and on social media. Sharing the knowledge helps everyone. Please support the channel by subscribing and so you don't miss upcoming episodes. This is Decoding Autism Now. Remember to consult a medical professional before making any changes in your health routines. Your final thought for today: sometimes the smallest signal, like stomach acid, might hold the biggest key.